Mombasa ni kwa Mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto anyitanire na arihia igoti undu umwe na ruhonge rwa kurogota magoti nirwo KRA gukunguira muthi wao kuria agathiriirie wira uria mararuta hari gucokaniriria kigina gia gutwarithia na Mbere
is special because as a nation we are taking the moment to appreciate exemplary individual and corporate citizens for their patriotism and commitment to the performance of their civic obligation to pay tax.
Ruhonge ruru rwa kurogota magoti nuthu ya mwaka uyu wa kigina marakorirwo makirogota bilioni 586 guturuma kenda gatagati ka mweri wa mugwanja na wa kenda makiandikithia nyongerera ya gicunji kia 8 guturuma mugwanja kuna mwaka muhituku maragotire kigina kia muigana wa bilioni 541 guturuma 6. Riboti ire yarekereirio ni Humphrey Watanga riu Ruto akiuga motungata ma thirikari maria mekiritwo mubango-ini wa kiriu ni macongereirie hanene hari kuongerereka gwa kigina giki.
By digitizing over 13,000 government services has gone a long way to enhance revenue performance.
Gukiri na uguo thirikari hindi ya guthondekwo kwa budget ya mwaka wa 2023-2024 yatanyite kurogota muigana wa bilioni 665 guturuma kenda riu makiandikithia kwa ukinyaniria na namba ino makiaga ukinyaniria na namba ino na muigana wa bilioni 79. Hindi Ruto ni amagathiriirie ni mitaratara iria maigithitie kwa muhiano ari ni kwandikwo kwa arogoti a igoti aguthiururuka mabiacara-ini matiganite nirwo kurehe uigananu murihire-ini ya magoti kuri andu othe.
As a move to enhance the revenue mobilization capacity and taxpayer compliance through service-oriented, citizen-centric methods of facilitating voluntary compliance in keeping with our fundamental commitment to decriminalize enterprise and enable all levels of business from micro, small, medium enterprises all the way to global multinational companies to meet their tax obligations.
Mbere ndaya ruto niauma na mucemanio thingira-ini wa iregi uri Mombasa uria mahetukirie ndereti ya guthurimwo kwa muingi marihine ma igoti itemini ria kurogota kigina kiganiru gia gukuria bururi uyu mugaru na gukomba.
The cabinet approved Public Audit Amendment Bill 2023 which will enhance the Auditor General's independence and transparency to ensure proper utilization of public resources through audits and
maya mokite oriri a Kenya mathiete na mbere na gukaya kuongerereka kwa magoti maya undu umwe na thogora wa muturire. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV ria kwani maina wa mucoe.